Well, good day to everyone. Today we are riding my Suzuki GS500F for fairing, my other bike, on a quick trip up Mount Keira, just west of Wollongong. It's a great little trip up there, tons of sharp corners, but they're well constructed now. It's all been done up. The only thing you're liable to strike on a Wednesday morning like this might be a few push bike riders to slow you down, but that's all part of the fun, getting around them. And I've actually been overtaken by one coming down. Quite a foolhardy one. He overtook me on a blind corner, on a blind left-hand corner. He went right round me, and he was just stayed ahead. I just let him stay ahead until we got to a straight and everything. But yeah, it was quite impressive. Anyway, this Suzuki is, as much as I love my Indian, this little Suzuki is a great bike for commuter bike for getting around town, getting to short trips to work and back, all that sort of thing. It'd be a great bike for learners too. It's approved for learner riders. It's powerful enough, but not too powerful, I guess, for learners. But it's very, very nimble. It flies around corners. It's quite forgiving. You can go around a little too fast or be in the wrong gear and sort of change gears in the middle of the corner. It doesn't really care. It's easy to balance it, and it's quite light in weight compared to the Indian. The Indian's somewhere around the 400 kilogram mark with a full tank. This thing's about, I think it's about 250, so huge difference in weight. And if you do happen to drop it or fall over with it, with a little effort you can actually pick it up yourself. Whereas the Indian needs about 3 strong blokes. Not that I've had to do that yet, and I hope I never have to, but you've got no chance of picking the Indian up without some serious help. So there's Mount Keira right up there. That's where we're heading. It's had the odd landslide during the years. Hopefully not while we're going up there. The road's been closed several times to clear the landslides and to reinforce or shore up the sides of some of the cliffs, stop them coming down on people, but it's nature, you're going to get that sort of thing. So this is the first of the climbs up there. Like I said, it's very popular with push bike riders, and Wednesday seems to be their day. Some drive up to the top of the mountain and ride down and then ride up, and others park down here and ride up and ride down. Others probably ride from home and back. So you've got to be mindful of that when you're coming up in any vehicle, really. The road's fairly narrow and there's not a lot of overtaking room, so even push bikes, and it's bumpy too, they can come to grief, so you've got to be mindful of them. Like this fella, he's kind of all over the road there, maybe utilising the wind in a sailing fashion, zigzagging, who knows. Archery. Yep, we've got our own archery field. Don't know whether you can hear them, but there's billions of cicadas out there. It's that time of the year. Things are deafening sometimes. One of the pleasures of living in Australia. This here's a good corner. Beautifully banked, that one. I'm only going around it slowly compared to some bikes I've seen. They're pretty well scraping their pegs. I'm always cautious. Now we're coming to the particularly twisty section from here to the top. Lots of blind turns and sharp turns and lefts, rights, all the variety you want. Visiting the Illawarra, this turn off up here to the right takes you up to the very top of Mount Keira there, where there's some fantastic lookouts from for photo shots and stuff. Just enjoying the view. It's quite marvellous up there. Well worth a visit if you're visiting the Illawarra. So there we have it, Mount Keira in very quick fashion. About 6-minute ride. If you don't have a car in front of you or a slow moving vehicle in front, it's about 6 minutes and you're done. Really enjoyable, highly recommend. Got a motorbike? Do it, do it, do it!